Spectre here. Welcome to a short video with excerpts from our daily pre-market commentary that we do. Now let's get into the charts.
So if we can push, test 335, fail, maybe 333 again, remember that level, and then it breaks 326, I think we could come down 315. What I was hoping for was a push up 134, 140 out of the gate and then just get short. So at this, or even up here, if it stayed 134, get short, looking for 122, 123 area right here. I'm kind of thinking that this may break, and if it does, I think this 147 can come quickly.
If you like these levels, our choice of stocks to trade, and want the full morning commentary, subscribe to our service at edamoma.com. We look forward to trading with you.